Hello great minds, I welcome you all to this very special video. This is Try Graphics, so don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I believe by now you are enjoying using the app even though you've not started making designs with it. But at least you can make some sort of editing to one or two pictures of yours. Today we are just going to look at the next option, that is the effects option. Now we are done with all the 16 tools, especially for those using the premium, and 15 tools for those using the free app. So we move straight to the effects, that is this option, the effects tool. It also helps you to make some color balances and other stuff. So you come to the effect tool. This is what you get. Those using the free app, take note that this option won't show, the recent won't show. It will start from the FX. Then instead of me getting sketch here, you will get magic. But for premium, the magic is somewhere here. This is where you get your magic. And also take note that this effect has its own image that it can work perfectly on. So for this picture, let's try with the FX, then pick the noise and see how the image will look like. So when I tap on noise, you wait for it to finish applying the effect on it. It will just take a few seconds depending on the speed of your phone. This is how the noise works. Let me go back and pick none, and let me select the second one, which is the HDR. This is how it also works. So I'll pick none. Let's go back to, for the sake of the free app users, let me come to magic and let me apply the undead, that is the human face, and see how this one will also work. So you just wait for it to finish applying the effect to it. And this is how the undead also works. Let me go back and take note, like I said, it has its own image. So if I pick sketch and I pick the first one, the sketch one, because this one is dealing with only faces, it will not work perfectly on this image. So let's try it and see. Says this effect works best with faces, so it will just make this image in a different way. It will not look so nice and attractive because this image is not dealing with faces. So you should know the type of image and the kind of effect that you want to apply. That is what you should know. So you can see how it is working. It is not looking nice because it is not dealing with faces. Let's go back to none and let me go scroll through and pick colors and see how the colors will also work. So I'll pick the colorize and see the effect that it will give. I love this color very much. It makes it so nice and beautiful. Let me look at the color placement. Let me tap on this one, just select a portion, and you see how it also works. So you can just explore more with the rest of the options and see what you get. Let's look at the blur aspect also. Pick lens blur, apply changes to it, and see how the lens blur also will work. So all that you need to do is you can just even create a design background on your own before you can use it to edit your pictures, or you can use it for your design. So this kind of image, I can just save this image that I have blurred and use it later on in my designs. So all that I need to do is, if I want to save this particular image, I'll just tap on my check mark sign to accept the changes. Then when I'm done, I'll just come and tap on my save button or my download button here to save this work. Then I am good to go. So in my other designs, or if I want to make any design, I see that this particular design is applicable, I can just use this as my background and start doing my editing on it. So you wait patiently for it to finish saving or downloading. So after your saving or downloading, you can just go back to your gallery, or you can just exit. You can save it as draft means you can come back and make changes to it again, but this one I will not save it as draft, so don't save. You see that this particular design will be added to your previous photos or your previous images. So then you are good to go. So thank you guys, and see you in our next video. So then we say bye bye.